Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself for another lesson on focus. Today's focus is on how, her, him, what. So let's start with the first word, how. How do, how does, how did, how to, how long, how nice, how many, how much, how come, how far. How are you, Rati? I'm fine, thank you. How about you, Roma? I'm good. How does it work? How was your trip to Iceland? How was your day? How deep is the lake? How long will the car take to start? How did you get to know Tia? How many children do you have? Or how many kids do you have? How many books does he have? How much is the entrance fee to SL World? Do you know how to open this box? We shouldn't judge people by how they look. The next word is her, H-E-R, her. Her book, her pen, her things, to her, for her, like her, with her, respect her. Do you know her? Yes, I know her. I saw her home. Everyone likes her. Everyone likes her. I bought her a new car. I made friends with her. Please say hello to her. Tomorrow is her birthday. Mary is helping her mother. Mary looks like her mother. She respects her mother. Her dream is to visit Denmark. The next word is him. H-I-M, him, to him, ask him, for him, with him. Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Can you give this to him? Please call him. I don't know him. She smiled at him. I expect him to come. I can hardly hear him. She told him to study. She is taller than him. Ask him to come in. She got married to him. I gave him a gold watch. The last word for today is hot. H-O-T, hot. Hot day, hot dish, hot food, hot spring, hot water, hot topic. Very hot. Hot sauce. It's hot. Is it hot? It's too hot. The tea is hot. It was a hot day. The soup is too hot. A hot bath made me feel much better. Tim doesn't like hot food. Tim does not like hot food. I turned on the hot water tap. I don't mind if the food is hot and spicy. Iceland is full of hot springs. Physical fitness is the current hot topic. In our focus series, we have learned 40 words till now. So let's revise all the 40 words. A, an, and, as, at, are, all, the, to, that, they, this, these, then, than, then, there, thing, time, to, be, by, but, been, of, on, one, or, out, other, over, he, his, have, had, hot, how, her, has, him. We are slowly moving towards our goal of speaking English. As I always say, keep on practicing, listen and repeat each of the 40 exercises, and you will successfully reach your goal of speaking English confidently. That's all for today. Meet you in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration today. Be happy always.